Hey guys, it is your girl lalaG here with the absolute most, where we focus on fashion, pop culture, current events, and a little bit of lifestyle mixed in. We put out videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so let's get this party started. So while making this video, it's kind of late in the evening, so the light is not as perfect as I want to be, so I do apologize for that. I probably could make it brighter, but I'd rather just go with the natural light. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think. I know y'all will in the comments. Tell your friends, like and subscribe. I'm sorry I look a mess. I like washed off my makeup. It is so hot and humid and just gross here in Texas. So I was just trying to fit this in before I went to bed tonight. So I hope you guys like today's episode. that is it for today's episode. I appreciate you guys watching. More content to come. I'm going to start doing some hauls again, I hope. And maybe some makeup things. I'm sorry I look so rough. Like, now that I have a job, I can go get waxed again. Look at my eyebrows. They're a hot-ass mess. But I'm still putting out these videos for you guys. Well, not just for you, for myself. Because I find it slightly relaxing. So, thank you guys for watching. I love each and every one of you. Wherever you are, make it a great day, or have a great day, great night, great evening, great morning, great brunch, whatever. Whatever you're doing, make it great. I love you.